Many people believe that individuals with autism don't feel empathy. But that's not true. The truth is they often feel too much empathy, just in ways that may not look the same as others expect. An autistic person might not show emotions through words or facial expressions. But inside, they can deeply sense others' feelings. Sometimes they care so much that it becomes overwhelming. They may shut down, avoid eye contact, or walk away. Not because they don't care, but because they are feeling too intensely. Empathy isn't missing, it's expressed differently. Some show it through actions instead of words. Some by offering quiet presence. And some by remembering the smallest details that matter to you. When we start to see empathy in these different forms, we realize it was always there. Autistic people feel deeply, they just express differently.